Are you still using that old phrase? Go sell that scrap metal already. I'm using a foot mold machine. Let's modify an electric tool for the old irons. Remove the mold machine's pressure plate. Take off one piece, brought 3 square nuts for home foot molds. Small, medium, and large sizes all work. Adjust the square nut. Add a rubber ring for grip. This new invention is a universal, no-install head. Fits our home foot molds, all sizes. Just clip on, attach this board, secure it, and it's done. Let's test it on the old irons. This modified electric tool works great. Like it? Pay attention to it again.